Okay, we're back in Theme Park Tycoon 2. Really a big deal? I don't think so, because this video is being recorded the 3 minutes after the second video. The last one was just made and uploaded, and that one was 2 minutes after the first one was uploaded. So I've only been doing this channel for like 30 minutes. I already have 3 videos. Okay, load the game. Yeah, as you can see, it only took me like 20 minutes to load. Oh, actually, no. Oh, it's loading. It's loading. Okay. Oh, I thought that was gone. That would not be good. Okay, so we got some people. I think they're all in the pizzeria. That would actually be really awkward. Are they all in the pizzeria? A lot of people are in the pizzeria, which is only like 3. Oh, what the heck? Ha! What's that? I'm gonna follow this guy. I don't think people have to pay to use the bathroom. I think that's sort of rude. I'm gonna $0. Yeah, $0. So basically right now, like for today, we're going to be working on the underground. Yes, the one that's down there. So basically, while I'm deleting all this, which is going to be a lot of work, I'm just going to talk to you guys about my life. So, yeah, basically this is my next video in the series of my channel. It's actually a growing channel, actually. The last video, like, since the first video got 3 views, like the second it was uploaded, then I checked the second one. It actually is a pretty growing channel. It got 5 views. Unbelievable, huh? Yeah, I think so. So this is how far we're going to make it go down. And then that's where, like, so now we have to add the ramp. And we need to go in the path. Rotate it and put it there. There. That's the last we'll ever need of the ramp. Now it's getting dark, and I haven't added any light in the pizzeria, which I don't think is a good thing. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to be so kind that we just finished that for today, and we finished some more in the pizzeria. Now, I thought, what if we added an upstairs, but the upstairs was outside, so I'm sorry, you guys are gonna have to go. Bye. Okay, and that, so 1, 2, and that one. So basically, we want to get rid of that. So add the cobblestone here. So what you want to do is you want to go in the paths and so used to using W, A, and D. That's a feature that I wish he added in. The creator of this, that's a feature that I wish that he added in. Now we're not going to keep that there. We're going to get rid of it. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay. Now we need to do that and that and cobblestone. Oh, you can't build this, so there's just gonna be grass there forever. But basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to add a little thing where how do I get out of this? Oh my god! Oh, it's because I'm pressing the wrong key. Yeah, I'm pressing the wrong key. So I'm gonna add a thing where they can like go up and see the view of all my glorious theme parkness that my theme park is, and they can basically come up here and see it up here. But yeah, so they can come up there. And one major part I forgot last time was to add the fence in there. So yeah, what I wanted to do was actually wanted to add water there, so if that makes sense. So I'm going to delete that, all this. I know I'm getting rid of so much money. All that money down the drain. Okay, now I'm going to add water. There. Can I add water? To create a hole? Yes, I made a hole. Let's retry this. Oh yeah, we have to do that. Oh, I see what we did wrong. Oh, so I think we have to like dig down too, or somehow. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm new to this whole water thing. Okay, so let's add the water, see if it works. Better work. Can I add water at the map boundaries? Did I create a hole? Yes, oh, I think I know what I have to do. I have to get rid of the, I'm so used to using that delete tool. This is going to be a short part, I think. No. No, you have to add the grass there. Add the grass there. Let's just not do water. Now I can't get out. Stuck. Okay, I think I can make, and I customized my t-shirt while I was gone and waiting for the other. How do you get out of this? Oh, I have an idea. The classic oof. Yep. Falls through the world. Okay, I guess we're not doing that in this episode, and it's already 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Actually, 57 seconds. I guess we're just gonna work on this little path right here. Yeah, add the, more path to it. Path concrete. Add this stuff. What's that? Guys, why is that all bright? Oh, it's just because that guy. Okay, so I think this is actually turning out to be pretty good so far. Okay, now let's go. Oh yeah, it's in the scenery. I'm so used to just using stuff for my pizzeria. Rotate it. It's actually, well, we can. Rotate this and add the metal bars. Well, we can. And add them over there. Like so. Oh, yeah, we have to rotate them. Wait, I'll go add them over there. Since we are so far into the video, I'll just pause and come back. The power of pausing my video, I've just... No autosaving, there are no reds. Whoa, that's a huge rule that should have been there. Well, that's a stupid rule. That's a very dumb rule. I think you should autosave. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build this place, and then I'm gonna do a little roleplay in it. Like, you'll find out in the roleplay. So this is just the building it series, where we build it. There's gonna be a whole different, like, roleplay series throughout it. So if you are playing Roblox and you're playing on my server, then please do just like my part. Okay, I can't even speak. I sound Chinese. Yee. Now I sound like yee. I think a better name would be Yee Cat instead of Meat Cat. And if you're wondering why I called it Meat Cat, am I a boy? Well, I love cats. Surprising for a boy to love cats. I know, but they're so cute. Okay, how could you not love cats? Like, if you don't love cats, then you're a nut. Like, back then, one of my friends, Caleb, he used to not like cats. And Minecraft trolled him because he was just walking through this Minecraft mansion, and there's this giant cat, which is like a new update or something. I don't know what it is actually, but he just saw this giant cat, and he was like, "Is the game trying to troll me?" But now he loves cats, and he's okay with it. He actually got mad when I killed an ocelot because it wasn't the color I wanted it to be. Yeah, I'm very picky with my ocelots. I want them to look how they look in real life, because all the ocelots that they have in Minecraft, I have 3 cats, and they all look exactly the same. There's a Siamese one, there's that orange and white one, there's that black and white one. Black and white one is the first one I got, the little Siamese one is the one I just got, and the orange and white one, yeah. Okay, so let's add it like took me a few minutes to find that. Okay, so after I put this in, it's gonna be in the end of the video. Boom. Okay, so I think that's a good place to end the video. We didn't do much. We just added a view thing and just put some fences in and did some more of the railing. Okay, so next time we will finish up the railing, and this will like be the way to the roller coasters and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you haven't already. And if this is the first video you've ever seen by me, please do hit that subscribe button and join the most growing team on YouTube. The growing team on YouTube. I'm so weird. But anyway, click that subscribe button and join Team Meat Cat. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.